In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add images and media to your Substack posts. Start by navigating to your Substack homepage, where all your creative writing will come to life. Once you're there, look for the New Post button and give it a click. This sets you up with a fresh canvas to work on. You'll be prompted to choose the type of post you'd like to create. Select the text post option, as this will serve as the foundation of your story, where images will complement and enhance your writing. Once your new text post is open, start by adding a title. The title is crucial because it grabs the reader's attention, so make sure it's catchy and relevant to your content. Underneath the title, you have the option to add a subtitle. Think of this as an extension of your title, offering further insight into your post's theme or topic. Below the subtitle, you can add a description, which allows you to summarize what your post will cover, giving your readers a taste of what's to come. Now that the groundwork is set, let's bring in some images to make your post visually appealing. Locate the Insert Image button in the top menu and click on it. You'll see an Add Image option. Select this. Here, you can upload your image directly from your computer. Choose an image that enhances your narrative. If you have multiple images, you might want to consider creating a gallery. Simply click on the Add Gallery button and select the files you want to include. As you upload, don't forget to add captions, and alt text captions provide context or commentary on the images, while alt text is essential for accessibility, describing the image for those who are unable to see it. Once your images are uploaded and labeled, click on Insert to place them into your post. If you're looking for more images, click on Insert Images again and try Add Stock Photo. You can search for a suitable image and insert it the same way. Substack also provides a Generate feature, where you can describe the type of image you wish to create. Click on Generate, and then select from the options provided. Insert the image once you've found the perfect match. Moving on to adding videos, locate the video icon in the top menu. Click on it and select Upload. Choose the video file from your device, and after uploading, insert the video to integrate it seamlessly into your post. If you prefer using content from platforms like YouTube, Substack allows you to paste the link directly into your post, making multimedia integration as easy as possible. With these steps, you've learned how to enrich your Substack post with images and videos. Enhancing your posts visually not only makes them more engaging but also adds depth to your storytelling. Happy posting!